This is the introduction to multiplying polynomials. I do want to review with you the power rules of multiplying exponents. If you remember, if you have an exponential of the same base, what you can do is you can multiply those together by x times x times x, that's the first one, times x times x. And how many x's are you left with? X to the fifth. So if you remember, when you have a power times a power, you add these two powers together. All right, the next one's a little bit more different. This is what we call the power to a power. It's saying take x to the fourth 5 times. So how many x's do you have now if you add up all of those? You get x to the 20th. So when you have a power to a power, you multiply. All right. So that's leading to now multiplying this monomial to this parenthesis that has 4 terms. So we're going to take the red and to distribute to all the terms in the blue. So I have 2x cubed times 4x cubed plus, distribute again, 2x cubed times negative 2x squared. Distribute again, 2x cubed times x. The last one, 2x cubed times positive 3. Let's go ahead and simplify. When you multiply the coefficients together. So 2 times 8, or 2 times 4 is 8. Now you add your powers. This is now x to the 6th. Go ahead again. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. X, add the powers, and you have a 5. Coefficient, 2 and 1 is a positive 2. Now we have a cubed and a first. It's now x to the 4th. Last one, 2 times 3 is 6. Now we have x cubed and nothing in the second piece, so it's just x cubed. So we have now distributed that monomial through. All right, heading down to the second example here. We're going to take this red and multiply it to the blue. So I'm going to start with here. I'm multiplying x times x. So I'm going to get x to the 4th. Multiply again, the next term. X times 3x squared is 3x cubed. Multiply again. X times negative 2x is negative 2x squared. Distribute one more time. X times 4 is 4x. All right, now we're going to go ahead and distribute the negative 3 to all the terms in the blue. So negative 3 times x cubed is negative 3x cubed. Negative 3 times 3x squared is negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9x squared. Distribute. Negative 3 times negative 2x is positive 6x. Last one. Negative 3 times positive 4 is negative 12. Now we have to go ahead and combine like terms. So there isn't any other terms with this x to the 4th, so we leave that alone. There is a positive 3x cubed and a negative 3x cubed. So those two terms are going to cancel out. Erase this old stuff here. Then we have a negative 2x squared and a negative 9x squared. And we combine those coefficients, you're left with negative 11x squared. Now we have 4x and 6x combined together to give you 10x. And then our last term is our coefficient, our constant, which is negative 12.